everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. Today's video is all about how to simplify your skincare routine. I know when I started out with skincare, I really didn't know exactly what I should be prioritizing, and I think a video like this would have been very helpful and very useful for me to just get kick-started with just a simple skincare routine. And also I feel like even if you're not just starting out and you just want to have a simple skincare routine because you honestly just don't have the time to be putting in all those different steps in the morning and in the evening, this might be a good video to definitely reference to. I know that nowadays there's like loads of products out there. There's so many people that do different steps, and personally I don't feel like you need to do a 12 step skincare routine in order to get good skin. I feel like sometimes actually keeping it simple, keeping the products minimal and using the same product is actually more efficient than using 10 different types of ingredients that are all just sort of causing sort of like a chemical reaction to your skin, if that makes sense. I just feel like sometimes keeping it simple, just using like basic products, is sometimes the best way to go on about it. So I really hope you find this video useful. I'll list the recommendations that I talk about in the description box below. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and let's get into today's video. So guys, the first step in simplifying your skincare routine is cleansing. Cleansing is such a very important part in your skincare routine because it essentially cleans your face and cleans your pores. So you want to make sure you're implementing that and never missing on that in your routine. And also, whether you're doing a 12-step skincare routine or whether you're just using 3 products, that's the main thing that I would personally say you need to prioritize. There's so many cleansers to pick and choose out there. And I would recommend to always, and just cleansers that are more clinical. I think that's where I would probably suggest for you to find your range of cleansers. The second step to simplify your skincare routine is using a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is so amazing for your face because it's going to protect your skin from environmental damage. It's also going to help with discoloration, also going to help with preventing fine lines and wrinkles. So it's something that you want to start implementing in your skincare routine. It's such an important ingredient and serum to implement. There's so many serums again out there on the market that you can reference and look at. I'll list a few of my favorite vitamin C serums from companies just to give you guys a little bit of help to start off with. So that's number 2. Step number 3 for simplifying your skincare routine is making sure that we are moisturizing. You have to moisturize no matter if you have oily skin, whatever skin type you have to moisturize. Moisturizing is so essential. It's like feeding like food to your skin. That's how I like to think of moisturizing. Like you wouldn't go without eating, or you wouldn't go without water. That's essentially what moisturizing is for your skin. So you want to make sure you're moisturizing. It's also going to help to protect and keep your skincare barrier healthy. So definitely moisturize. And then the last step, last but not least, which is something that I always say in all my videos that I've done to do with skincare, is to use an SPF, a sunscreen. That is going to be like the most priority thing to use in your routine because it's going to protect your skin, whether it's like windy, whether it's cloudy, whether it's raining, whether it's snowing and it doesn't look like the sun is out there. You need to use sunscreen because there's always UV lights, and you need to give your skin that protection basically. So make sure to implement that. I will also list some products of SPF that I've used that I like to use every so often, that you can reference to just as a little starting point. But that is pretty much everything in terms of how to simplify your skincare routine. It's super simple, super easy, and it's only 4 products that you have to remember to use. And if you do this routine as a starter, or just as, you know, maybe your skincare routine, you're going to see so much benefit in your skin, and your skin will thank you for following this routine. I will list all of my recommendations in the description box below, so do make sure you check them out. I'll keep it nice and simple. I'll probably put 2 products from different companies for each of the steps that I've mentioned, just for differentiation. But I really think that if you guys follow this simplified routine, you're gonna see so much like amazing results for your face. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment and also share the video with others that might be wanting to start off with skincare. And also please make sure that you are subscribed if you haven't subscribed as well. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.